So, in this lesson, today we are going to take up exercise 1.2. See, in exercise 1.2, they have given a table. In that table, you have 4 columns. They have given the value A, D, N and AN. These are the 4 columns they have given. I have taken up the first problem in that. So, in the first problem, they have given the value of A is 7, D is 3, N is equal to 8, AN you have to find out. A means, it is nothing but the first term of the sequence. D is nothing but the common difference. N is nothing but the number of terms in the sequence. And AN is nothing but the last term. Last term is nothing but 8th term. Since it has only 8 terms, last term is nothing but 8th term. So what is the 8th term? Term we have to find out. We know that AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. Substitute the value of AN and D. AN is equal to A means 7 plus 8 minus 1 into D. D means 3. So AN is equal to 7 plus 8 minus 1 means 7 into 3. Therefore, the term is AN is equal to 7 plus 7 3s are 21. Therefore, AN is equal to 7 plus 21 is equal to 28. Therefore, the 8th term in this sequence is nothing but 28. Okay. Let us take the second problem. In the second problem, they have given A is equal to minus 8, D is equal to question mark, number of terms 10. See, in the second problem, the value of A is minus 18. D you have to find out. There are 10 terms in the sequence and 10th term is 0. Here the value of the 10th term is given, AN. In this sequence, since you have 10 terms, the 10th term, value of the 10th term is 0. First term is minus 18. You have to find D. So, use the same formula. AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. Is this visible for all of you? I think so. This is visible for you clearly. AN is equal to A means minus 18 plus N means 10 minus 1 into, we don't know the value of D. But we know the value of AN. AN is given. You can substitute the value. 0 is equal to minus 18 plus 9D. So, what I am going to do, I will shift number towards number side. Minus 18 is shifted towards LHS. That becomes 0 minus 18 becomes plus 18 is equal to 9D. Therefore, 18 is equal to 9D. Therefore, we want only the value of D. Write down the coefficient of D in the denominator and the value of LHS in the numerator. So, 9 1s are, 9 2s are. Therefore, 2. The value of D is equal to 2. Okay. Now, I have taken the second problem. Choose the correct choice in the following and justify the answer. So, what they have given, 30th term of AP in this sequence is which one? Which of the following? You have to find the 30th term of arithmetic progression in the given sequence. So, let us write the sequence. So, sequence goes like this. 10, 7, 14. So, you have to find the 30th term. 30th term. What is the value of 30th term? You know that in this sequence, A is equal to 10, D is equal to 7 minus 10. A2 minus A1, that is equal to, A2 is 7. 7 minus 10, that means minus 3. Because from 7 you cannot subtract 10. 10 minus 7, put the bigger number sign. And then N, number of terms. So since you have to find out the 30th term here. Number of terms in this sequence will be 30. Okay, so you have to find A30 here. 30th term you have to find out. Put the same formula. An is equal to An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So An 30th term you have to find out is equal to A is nothing but 10 plus number of terms, you have 30 terms in this series, and then the value of D is minus 3. So A30 is equal to 10 plus 30 minus 1 is 29 into minus 3. A30 is equal to 10 plus how much? 9 3s are 27, 2 carry, 3 2s are 6 plus 2, 8 minus 87. Therefore, A30 is equal to 10 plus into minus. Multiply this. You will get minus. So, A30 is equal to 10 minus 87. From 10 you cannot subtract 87. Therefore, from 87 you subtract 10. That will become 77. Put the bigger number sign. Therefore, A30 is equal to 77. Now, you take down this problem in your classwork book. By the time I will take up the third problem. Okay. Third problem, you have to find the missing terms. Okay. See, in the third problem, they have given like this: 2, blank, 26. So this is an arithmetic sequence. In this sequence, which is the first term? This is the first term, isn't it? A is equal to 2. Okay. So here you have only 3 terms. Okay, 1, 2, 3. So n is equal to 3. Number of terms in the sequence is 3. Which is the last term here? An is equal to 26. But we don't know the second term here. Unless you know the second term, you cannot find the difference. If you know the second term minus first term will give you the difference. Since they have not given the second term here, you have to find D. D is nothing but difference. First you have to find D. After finding D, you have to add the value of D to first term. That will give you the second term. So similarly, same formula you have to use. An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So An is nothing but the last term. Here last term is third term. 26 is equal to A means 2 plus n means 3 minus 1 into D we don't know. Keep as it is. Next, 26 is equal to 2 plus 3 minus 1 is 2. Again 2 into D is 2D. Now shift 2 towards 26 LHS. So that becomes 26 minus 2 is equal to 2D. 24 is equal to 2D. So we can write like this: 2D is equal to 24. We want only D, therefore D is equal to 24 divided by 2. 12. Therefore D is equal to 12. When once you get the value of D, second term is, see, first term is A. Second term is nothing but A2. A2 is nothing but A plus D. Is it not? A means 2. D means 12. 14. Therefore, A2 is equal to 14. A2 second term will be 14. Now you check. For A2, if you add D, you should get the third term. Okay. A3 is obtained by adding D to A2. A3 is given 26 A2 means 14. 14 plus difference is 26. Check it out now. Both the sides you are getting correct. Therefore, difference is 12 and second term is 14. Okay, now you have to copy down these notes. I'll give you some time. Copy down the notes. By the time, I'll take up the next problem. Yes, I have taken third problem. In this problem, they have given -4, blank, 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 blank. You have 4 blanks here and 6. Totally you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 terms are there. 6 terms. Is equal to first term, that is -4. D is equal to question mark, because D is nothing but A2 minus A1. Since we don't know A2, so we don't know the value of D, keep as it is. AN last, write down that. And number of terms, count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 terms are given, n is equal to 6. Okay. Now you have to find the value of D first. Okay. After finding D, you can find the remaining terms. Put the formula AN is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. AN is nothing but nth term. Nth term is 6 here. 6 is equal to A means -4 plus n. N means number of terms, 6 minus 1 into D. D we don't know. Keep as it is. Okay. 6 is equal to -4 plus 6 minus 1 is 5. D as it is. Now bring this -4 towards LHS. So means here. That becomes 6 as it is. -4 becomes +4 is equal to, here you will have only 5D, plus 5D. Okay, 6 plus 4 is 10. 10 is equal to 5D. Means you can write it as 5D is equal to 10. D is equal to 10 as it is divided by coefficient of D. D jothe yav number irtho adrinda divide ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. So D is equal to 2. So ಒಂದು ಸಲ D ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಬಂದಮೇಲೆ ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಆ್ಯಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಿ. You know that A2, how do you find A2? A2 is equal to A1 plus D. A1 ಅಂದರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು? -4 plus D ಅಂದರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು? 2. So -4 plus 2 is -2. So this term is -2. Okay, next A3. A3 is obtained by adding D to A2. A2 ಅಂದರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು? ಬಂತಲ್ಲ ಇವಾಗ ತಾನೆ, -2 plus +2. -2 plus 2 is equal to 0. ಇದು 0 ಆಯ್ತು ಇಲ್ಲಿ. So A4 is equal to A3 plus D. A3 ಅಂದರೆ ಬಂತು 0 ಇಲ್ಲಿ. 0 plus D ಅಂದರೆ 2. So 0 plus 2 is 2. Here you will get 2. Again A5 you have to find out. A5 is nothing but fourth term plus difference. Fourth term is 2. Just now you have got it. Plus difference is also 2. So both are plus 4. Next term automatically 4 plus 2 you will get 6. Okay. So I think all of you have understood. Follow the steps properly and then copy down this problem. Okay. Afterwards we will move to the next problem.